welcome back to Science for Kids. We have some good news. We finally reached 500 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing our channel and supporting us. Your support motivates me to make more videos. Thank you. Today's experiment is swimming toothpick. The things that you need are, of course, some toothpicks, mesh. We don't have mesh, so we took some cotton band-aids, a rubber band, and a glass or a bottle. Now take your mesh and put it on top of your bottle. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to pour some water in the bottle slowly. So now I'm going to flip the bottle over. When I poured the water in, it went inside. So when I flip it over, the water should come out. I think the water will come out. Let's flip it over. The water's not coming out. What's happening? Now I'm going to add the toothpick. The toothpick floated up. Now I'm going to put another one. It floated again. Another one. It floated up. Now I'm going to put another one too. This one floated up too. No way! How is this happening? This one is going up too, but no water is spilling out. What's happening? Is this magic? Wait, when I say magic, please go check out our magical video. It's called Magic Water. It's in the description box below. Can you see the small holes? Even though there's holes, the water is not coming out. This happens because of two things: cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion and adhesion, are you trying to surprise me? Because you definitely did. Cohesion means when one water molecule gets attracted to another water molecule. That is cohesion. Adhesion is when water molecule gets attracted to a different one, which here is a mesh. So that is adhesion. When I poke the toothpick in the mesh and flip it over, the water doesn't spill out. That's because of adhesion. But when the toothpick hits the water, it drifts. Normally, when wood hits the water, it drifts in the water, right? That's what's happening. Hope you like this simple experiment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science for Kids. And also, Science Today's Technology Tomorrow. So learn science in a fun way. And the best way to learn science in a fun way is watching our videos. Thank you and Nandri.